This is summons number 164096. Charges the motorist for going through a red light on Smith Street and Chalkstone Avenue on June 30th. We got you. Lights, please. This is a close one. Let me see it again. The light's green, it's yellow, it's red. The traffic engineer placed this camera in such a position that I have to look through the trees to see if the light's green or red, or whatever the case might be. What's the time on this, Inspector?
You're on a 3.2 on yellow, 0.30.
Lights. All right, Ms. Mendoza, what do you want to tell me about this?
The camera is not seeing what I was seeing because of the way that it's positioned. So for me, that box truck that was ahead of me, for the split seconds that I went through it, I couldn't see the light at all. And then it was red once the truck passed through,
Well,
and then
wait a
I
minute.
felt...
I exaggerated a little. It was obvious the light was red. That's not really your argument. I'll show it to you again, but...
No,
that's
that
not-
is my argument.
You gotta, oh, it is? Oh, if you want to
Sorry.
stick with that one. It's because it's gone nowhere. Let's take a look at it again. Just leave it right there. Just leave it right there, okay? All right. Now, tell me what it is you can't see.
I couldn't see the light.
I see it. I see it quite clearly.
Sure, because you're not in my car.
No, you can see it even better because I'm looking at it from the right angle. You're on the left, so you have more of a clear, unobstructed view.
Like,
Lights,
I don't know,
please.
whatever. But that's why I'm here, as opposed to paying it. I couldn't see it, and when I saw it, I thought it was too dangerous to stop in the intersection, and that's my story.
Well, the fact of the matter is that it qualifies for dismissal, but not on your argument.
Okay.
You got the wrong argument.
Okay, that's...
Okay. We usually allow 0.2 of a second.
Okay.
And you were 0.3 of a second. I extended to 0.3.
Okay.
Because I think the difference between 0.2 of a second and 0.3 is so minimal
Not much,
that,
yeah.
that I usually give the motorist the benefit of the doubt. But if you want to argue with me and stick with your other argument, then I'll make a decision based on that and charge you $85.
Okay.
You don't listen too well.
I think I'm a great listener.
You talk an awful lot, but you don't listen too well. You got to learn to listen. Okay. I gave you like 3 chances to come up with the right excuse. You didn't come up with any of them, but I didn't hold it against you. Now, next time you come back, and you will be back.
No.
You won't?
Huh.
Based on the 0.3 of a second, the matter is dismissed.
Thank you.
As you heard, I told Ms. Mendoza that she talks too much and doesn't listen. And that clearly upset her, and for that, I'm truly sorry. The point I was trying to make is this: conversations are two-sided, and it's a good idea to always listen to the other side, because they just might be trying to tell you something you don't already know and might help you. And that was my original intention. Okay, Jason Tunstall. Jason Tunstall.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
How you doing this morning?
I'm doing quite fine.
Well, I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you.
You were charged with public drinking, sir.
Yes.
Is there anything you want to tell me about this?
It's just one of those good days. Nice, beautiful day. It just happened to accidentally open up at the wrong time.
It was a beautiful day.
It was a beautiful day.
You don't drink on stormy days?
No.
No.
Too cold.
Too cold.
Don't want to wet my pants.
You were drinking Crystal Palace vodka.
Yes.
I see. That tastes real good on a good day, huh? Wow. How many pups did you have?
Before they caught me, I had like about that much left.
Oh.
That much left.
What was it? Was it a fifth? What was it?
Half pint.
Half pint?
I don't get that crazy.
Oh.
No, I don't get that crazy.
Oh, you don't get the big stuff.
No. Just a little quick one, and I'm nice and comfortable.
Well, let me see what it says here. Well, you weren't bothering anybody. You were on Broad Street. Police saw you drinking from a bottle of Crystal Palace vodka. They apprehended you without incident, and they took your alcohol. Well, they couldn't see. There's only that much left, right? Not bad.
But still, that last drop's the best one.
Imagine that, Inspector Quinn. They took his last drop.
That's another beverage, I think, good to the last drop. I think that's a different beverage, but, Your Honor, what it was, Mr. Tunstall was...
No, I want the police, I want to see the evidence. I want the bottle.
They do have a vial up in property, Your Honor. We do have a vial of the liquor to be tested at the State Tox Lab, if need be. But Mr. Tunstall was arrested. He was released to appear, Your Honor. He failed to appear last week. Capias was issued. He was apprehended Friday early in the morning. He was held Friday evening, was released Saturday to appear this morning. He did appear this morning. So based on that, the city would move to dismiss on time served.
I think justice demands that the matter be dismissed anyway.
Thank you.
You make a nice appearance before the court.
I try.
Now, you don't have to answer this because it may incriminate you, but I'm going to ask you a question. It's a beautiful day outside today. Right? It's a beautiful
Not
day.
a shot.
Right.
No chance.
Temperature's going to be in the early 70s. The sun is shining.
I'm not trying to come back here. No.
Just curious.
I'm going to have to humble myself.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I may get the shakes, but I'm going to have to humble myself.
Well, you could drink indoors. Not as good. Doesn't taste the same?
Nah. It doesn't work.
We'll have to work on changing that ordinance. Maybe we can have a outdoor drinking area only in the city of Providence.
That'd be good.
Right?
That'd be very good.
Okay, we'll work on it.
Yeah.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Case is dismissed.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.